what's up everybody? It's day 10 with the quarantine bartender here, and today we're going to be doing one of my favorites. It's called a Gimlet. It's a gin-based drink, and I also have a little mixture with the beet in it too that tastes really good. But before I get into that, I want to give a quick shout out to all my DJs out there. I know right now you guys are playing, keeping people's spirits up, going live. I want to give a quick shout out to a bunch of guys. DJ Glenn Gamble, DJ D, DJ Jules, DJ C-Face. You knew I was going to shout you out. DJ Dillinger. Big shout out to DJ Dillinger too. He's doing like a quarantine cooking show along with it. And he's got a cooking show. Check that out. DJ Raw Bass. If you haven't seen his TikTok page, super funny. Check out his TikTok page. Also to Aaron Palermo and his daughter singing acoustic. Her name is, I just want to make sure I got it right. Adley. Big shout out to Adley. She was doing a great job singing. And then who else do I have in here? Just one more person. Oh yeah, Illusions I said. And Stan the Man over at Ice and Music helping us out. So we're going to jump into this right now. The way that you're going to have this go, wash my hands real quick. Brent Cart, that's for you. What we're going to do is, it's a Hendrick's gin. We have lime juice. This right here is going to be our simple syrup, again, sugar water. And then right here, instead of the regular Gimlet, we're going to substitute it with a beet simple syrup. So I took just regular beets in a can right here. It's a sweet and sour beets. Put sugar on it, let it sit in the refrigerator, and made my own syrup right here. So I'm going to make two of them, all right? So the first one we got here. Good news, our stock, the economy right now is doing a lot better because 2 days in a row that they've been having profits. So hopefully this is the turnaround. Who knows? All right, 2 parts. I probably did a little bit of 2 parts. I'll do a little bit more. I know it's 2 parts. 2 parts or 2 ounces of gin. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of lime juice and then 1 ounce of simple syrup. Okay? That one right there. And you want to shake the living crap out of it, all right? Make it super cold. You can strain it, double strain, which is the one where you do it out like that. But I'm not going to do that because I'm going to want all that little ice crystals in there, which is kind of what I like. All right. There we go. That's the basic Gimlet right there, okay? So triple sec and the lime juice. And then we'll do another one. And this one's one of my favorites. It's sweet. Again, you can put another simple syrup if you really wanted to in it. But the beet comes out really, really good. All right. It's going out pretty soon. Boom. Cool right there. Lime juice. Half part of the lime. Last one is the beet syrup. All right. One more time, a good shake up. Good job to everybody in their house. Have a couple of drinks. Try to make the best out of this. Hopefully the stimulus package goes through and they give us a lot of checks and everyone can feel a little bit better about themselves or a little bit more comfortable. But anyway, till then, we're drinking up. Well, that's a really cool color. I like that. All right. And then to garnish it off, we just do 2 of the lime wheels. All right. Simple as this. Boom and boom. So it looks pretty good. Ooh, there we go. All right. There it is. What I need from you guys now, do me a favor. Comment, share it. Leave a comment actually of a drink that you would like me to make. I'm getting close to the end here and I'm running out of cocktails. So if there's something out there that you think that I should make and it would be really good, send it over and we'll read it up and possibly make it tomorrow. So until then, God bless. Enjoy your night and we'll see you next time on the Quarantine Bartender.